Hello, my name is Bijan. I am a Customer Success Manager at G2 Speech. Welcome to the G2 User Conference 2019. We're running a number of workshops today. The first workshop is getting the most out of data, your data with G2 Analytics from Oxley's NHS Foundation Trust. We also have a workshop on structured reporting and transfer of care with insights from Hull University Teaching Hospitals NHS Trust. We have a workshop running that is about customer first and always getting better. We're also running a workshop around artificial intelligence within healthcare, and we also have a workshop regarding implementing and adopting virtualization technologies within healthcare. Today our platinum sponsor is Philips Dictation Solutions. Other sponsors and supporters include the Northern Care Alliance, Oxley's NHS, Olympus, Microsoft and Recognosco.
I'm Andrea Fraser. I'm the Digital Application System Administration Manager at Blackpool Teaching Hospital. Today I was hoping to find out a bit more about G2 in terms of what's coming in the future. We're just taking over the support of G2. It's currently embedded in our trust already. So with us being new to support and system administration for G2 at the trust, it was just a little bit more knowledge about what's happening with G2 and what we can pass over to our users for the future.
I'm Patrick Dowling from LogicNets. We're a technology partner of G2. We've been working with G2 actually for quite some time, mostly focused in the Netherlands, and we've just really launched the use of our technology through G2, integrated with G2 systems and delivered to the market through G2 here in the UK. Very exciting time for us, and this has been an absolutely impressive event. A really special place. I hadn't been to the Royal College of Physicians before. It's a tremendous museum, and really exciting to see all the G2's customers in this format.